only been here probably about 18 months. It was a construction site before that, and just a mess before that. Running underneath there is line 14. They built an exhaust fan here, and once they'd finished all that, it was actually closed for years. But once they finished it, they landscaped it. It's not too bad. A nice little park. This building here, the Green Station. I'm trying to make a bit of a night spot out of this. A few different businesses have started up in there. A few restaurants. And I think they have a bit of music here at night. I haven't been past